Hello everyone. I'm not quitting the YouTube channel, at least not yet, but I am closing up the repair and custom shop that I've been running for the last several years. It's been doing fine, but I'm tired. I work by myself and I just can't handle the 16-hour days tied to a bench anymore. My wife and I each lost a parent this year, and I'm watching my kids kind of just grow up faster than I would like them to. And so instead of waiting for some big stress-related medical catastrophe to just take me out, I'm just gonna stop. That does mean I will be getting back to actually making more videos because I have a hard drive full of stuff that has to be edited. I have some ideas that I think might be helpful to you folks, that might be useful information, a lot of cool projects that I had fun doing that I never got to publish. And in addition to that, this computer. No, it's HP. Wow, look at that. No, I don't want HP to make any more changes on anything ever again. So anyway, good news, right? Yes, so I never actually released the 19S 2P meat. What is happening? I never got to release this. This is a 19S 2P Meat Pack Plus. It's what's in both of the boards that I ride now. I do have a higher voltage 126 volt board. I'll do a whole thing on that later. But this battery I worked on with a friend and colleague of mine. I'm really, really proud of it. In my opinion, this is the best VESC one-wheel project battery you can get. And I did make a batch of them. I will release it, but I will be open sourcing that. So all of the files, the 3D print files, the PCB files, how to build it, how I've built them already, I'm gonna publish all of it. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the 126 volt fast pack that I released. Same thing, worked on it with my friend and colleague, and I love that thing. A lot of folks love that thing. And so rather than sit at a bench, just make them over and over again, I'm gonna open source all the files. I'm gonna publish documentation on how I've made them. And my goal is that if you're an independent shop, if you're overseas, you're not in the US, and it's a bit harder to get the same kind of DIY custom battery style options that you have in the US, this and the 30S1 will at least be some options that you could produce on your own. So you'll have the Gerber files to just send the balanced PCB off to have it produced in whatever number you want. You can print all the extra files, because I just printed those anyway. And I'm gonna have multiple resources for how I've built those packs. You can have them. You can have them. And then I've got a couple other projects that I want to see through to the end. And once those projects are done, another couple of batteries and some other stuff that I've been working on, I'm gonna open source all that too, and anything that's not mine to open source, I'm just gonna publish how and where I get it, and I'm just gonna do that for a while. I've got lots of stuff to edit. I've got boards that I wanted to show how I made them, and I've got ride footage that just sits on a hard drive, and I don't want it to just keep sitting there collecting metaphorical dust. So that's really it. Shop's closing down, unless, I know you or you're local. I still build for the Long Island folks and stuff like that. But other than that, the mass production of stuff, that's just done. I'm done. But I will see you in a bit in the next video, because I got some stuff that I think is fun, and I'm just gonna do that. All right, take care of yourself.